Hey, awesome morning changers. Today I would like to share my next alphabet structure about the letter B. And today, here I'll show you the alphabet B. Here it is closed, it is little smaller. Here it is closed. Here retracing is there. Here it is open from down. Here it is open and coming little behind the line. It is going little extra. So what kind of letter B do you have in your handwriting? Check it and show me, click a snapshots and send it to us, so that we'll be able to see what is the required action which you are taking through these letters, through these alphabets. Hey, Jyotsna Seth here, and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.